You've made promises to Ghanaians. Into me deal with it. A government's job is to create jobs. A government, in a bona fide of government, is to create jobs. It's not to declare people redundant. It's not to take people out of jobs and declare them unemployed. A government's main bona fide is to create jobs and bring relief. In TV, you are na aba, and your public record is that sack them. Sack them.
Now, the person kind of sack them when the watchword is in promotion of good governance.
Oh my.
Hey, but why do you want to do that?
Oh my, so no, brofo.
So papa.
What is the net effect? Sack them. What? Also, one sack Ghana for one for one.
Obi biara. It doesn't.
Okay, so do you know there's a legal word called ratification? Do you know a word called ratification? Ratification in law, meaning that even if it is irregular, regularize it.
So you deliberately do irregularities to regularize.
Even if or you're irregular, you regularize it.